Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Big Money Fishing. We're out here at the Texas Gulf Coast, out here at Corpus Christi. We're over here by the Texas A&M University. Right now, I got some shrimp soaking in the water right now. My boy over here is rigging up some crab. So we're gonna see what we can hook up into. And we already got 200 subscribers. We're at 200 subscribers. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for everybody that has supported the channel from the beginning and been here and commenting and liking, sharing. I appreciate it. Man, this channel wouldn't be where it's at without y'all. But we're gonna be doing a giveaway here soon. So what needs to be done?
Like, subscribe, push the notification button, and try sharing it.
Yeah. So you can know that when the giveaway is gonna happen. Make sure you press that notification bell so you can know when this giveaway is gonna happen. It's gonna be a juicy one. So let's get on there, share it, tell y'all's friend about it, and let's do it. Let's grow this channel bigger. Let's see how long it'll take us to get to 300. But thank you for the support and love. So I'll see you out there in the water. Oh, I got something big. Yeah, look. He's running. Hold on.
You recording?
Yeah. On this ultra light gear.
Make sure you don't snap off.
It feels huge, whatever it is on this little thing. Hold on.
Come on, Dad, come on, Dad.
That's what she said. I got me under the rocks. Oh, we're right there, look. You see it? You got him? It's a red. Get him. Get him, Angel. Grab him, just grab him with your hand. Get the net, get the net. Get him! I thought you had him. Woo! A little red. Man, check that out, guys. Just on a little ultra rod. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Yeah. I was just trying to catch little pinfish. Woo. Here, hold it. I'm gonna measure them right now.
Come on.
Ah, check that out, guys. 20. Yeah, check it out. Whew. Just got this guy. Thank you. Whew. Man, I wasn't even trying to catch this guy. I was just trying to catch some bait and got this guy. Get the measuring board there. It's in the back of the seat. Man, look at this guy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, and then on this little ultra light rod. This is like for bluegills and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Man, I wasn't even trying to catch it. I wasn't even trying to catch right now some reds. That's why I got the big rods out there. And then this guy came along and bit. So let's measure him out. Ooh, 20 and a half. Yeah.
Legal.
Yeah.
It's legal?
Yeah.
Let's go.
20 and a half. There you go, baby. Yeah.
Well, good luck, brother.
I appreciate it, bud. Woo-wee. Yeah.
He got my legs all wet.
And I wasn't even expecting that. I threw a little tiny shrimp like that big. on a small little tiny hook, and I got him. Check him out.
That hook got bent up though?
No, so it is. It's an offset hook. Check it out. That's all what I caught him on, in a little shrimp like that big. I threw it on there, just barely threw it right here in the front, and boom, he hit.
And we're here throwing out our baits all the way out there.
So, man, pinch tail, what is it?
20 and a half.
Show him what it is. Oh. The keeper, we're gonna keep him up, throw him on the strainer.
You want me to get it real quick?
Go.
20 and a half right there. All right, let me go. Here.
Woo! All right. Finally got a keeper red. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna put this bad boy on the strainer.
That's the funny thing. We weren't
Eat 'em up.
fishing for this stuff.
Nah, I kind of just started goofing around to play and get some live bait, some little live fish so we could cut them up. And boom, he hit. Sweet. Yeah. Go ahead. All right, let's go. Let's get another one. I'm gonna throw another little small shrimp and just throw it right there again. Let's get another one. Let's go. Size of shrimp I used to catch that red on this little ultralight gear here. Woo. So I'm gonna try it again, see if I get lucky. Man, we're throwing out there fish bites and everything, throwing them way out there. And then I just catch it when I just cast here. You always catch when you least expect it, right? Fish on! Little guy, little guy. Little pinfish. Ah! He got away. Throw on a little hook like mine. Your hook? It's alright.
Go for a minute. You're just waiting for all the fish. All the bait.
Me either. That was like super exciting. I didn't think it was gonna be a red at all. Me too. I thought it was a sheephead or the one I just caught earlier. Yeah. Well, not really, because this is an ultralight, so everything feels heavier on this. Alright guys, so we're gonna cook up that red that we caught earlier today. We're gonna cook it up. My son wanted to try it out. He couldn't wait till we got home. So we're still out here fishing. We're gonna be out here for like the next 2 or 3 days. So I was just looking at the rod. I thought I saw it get hit. But anyways, so we're gonna do a quick little catch and cook here. Just here. We're here warming up the cooking oil here. It's just a little bit of canola. So there you go. So y'all see something that's not right about my cut? Because this is the first time I really filleted a fish, so I kind of butchered it, man. Tell you the truth. But if y'all see something that's I didn't do right or something I could improve on, let me know, and so I could try it out. Like I said, I don't really keep too many fish, and I don't really fillet fish, but this was my actual first fish that I filleted. So let's get to the seasoning. Here we go. This is what we're using here. Let's tear this bad boy open. And let's just...
Ooh. Is it spicy or something?
It smells very lemony, pickly. It smells like pickle.
It smells like pickle.
So let's just put a little bit. in there. Rub that out. Catch and cook. If y'all like to catch and cook, let me know. So we're gonna be out here for a couple days, so there's gonna be a couple more videos of us out here, unless we don't catch. But thanks for watching.
And if y'all like it and y'all want more of this, push the like button and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure y'all comment. Let me know what I could have done better on this red. Cooking it wise, filleting it, and all that good stuff. So y'all just let me know, because y'all the ones that help me out to make myself better. So I appreciate all the love y'all give me and everything else. We're at 200 subscribers, like I said in the beginning of the video. There's gonna be a giveaway coming soon. So the only way you could know when the giveaway happens is when you press that notification bell and you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Much love. Peace out.